is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to go over the 11 paychecks that I received from my stocks, and it starts right now. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Matt, and in this channel, all we do is invest $20 each and every week, and we watch it grow. Today, guys, we are going to go through the 11 dividend payments that I had received from my stocks. So let's go ahead and hop into my stocks. Real quick, if you do me a favor, if you like my content, smash that like button. Feel free to subscribe to the channel. Right now, we sit at a whopping 35 subscribers. To those 35 subscribers, you guys know what you are. You truly are the MVPs. Anyway, let's go ahead and hop in and look at my dividends for the month of October. It was a pretty good one. It was actually our best one so far, I believe. We'll go ahead and double check that at the end of this video. So let's look at our stocks. Number one, first one we are going to get into is Gain or Gladstone Investment. We received 94 cents in the month of October for Gladstone Investment for holding 13.416395 shares at 7 cents per share for a total of 94 cents. And if you saw at the top, this next month is going to be even better. So 94 cents from Gain. Pembina Pipeline, we are going to be getting, I should say we already received 27 cents. The previous month was 16 cents. So you can see that increase there, actually going all the way back to July. 3 cents, 8 cents, 16, and 27 cents from Pembina Pipeline. SL Green Realty, we had received 31 cents from SLG. And again, over the last 4 months, you can see that 3 cents, 19 cents, 26 cents, 31 cents. For LTC Properties, we actually have a dividend pending of 31 cents, and that's for owning 1.633232 shares at 19 cents a pop. So 31 cents is pending, and you can see over the last couple of months here, 22 cents, 14 cents, and 9 cents. So we're getting that gradual increase. And again, remember, guys, we are dripping our dividends right back into that exact stock so we can watch that compound interest and we can watch that stock just gain that momentum. This next one here is land, Gladstone Land. It is sitting at $13.87 a share, which doesn't matter because we're not talking about the share. We are waiting on the 17 cents here. It's actually pending. And tomorrow, so this one and the previous ones that were pending, they're actually going to get dripped right back into these said stocks. So we're getting the 4.49 cents per share, and we own 3.687785 shares for 17 cents. We will pop to Realty Income, one of the bad boys here. If you don't have Realty Income, I don't know what to say. You probably should get it. We got 18 cents back in mid-October for, we owned 3/4 of a share at 23.4 cents per share. So we got 18 cents coming back, and we're going to roll that right back into Realty Income. Next is Stag Industrial. We are waiting on, actually, we already got the dividend and we reinvested it. So we had 18 cents, and that's for owning 1.5 shares at 12 cents a share. So we got that 18 cents. Sons or Solar Senior Capital, we got that pending at 36 cents, and that's for owning 3.57989 shares at 10 cents a share. This actually pays out a really good yield. I believe it's around the 9 to 11%, but if you guys don't have this one, I would recommend getting it. It's actually pretty discounted right now, but we won't talk about it. We'll keep rolling through. Horizon's another one. Horizon Technology Finance. It is, we don't want to worry about November's pending. We want to go down here. So we got 33 cents mid-October. And again, we reinvested that right back into the stock. And that was for holding 3.269933 shares at 10 cents a share. Guys, the fractional shares don't bother me. So if they bother you, sorry about it. You're going to see nothing but fractional shares throughout my entire portfolio. Because when you invest $20 each and every week, you don't get whole shares. You get fractional shares. Next one is Broadmark Realty Capital at $9.97 a share. We got 25 cents or a quarter back in mid-October, and that was for 4.152919 number of shares at 6 cents a share. This actually pays a really good yield too. I think it's around 8%. So that's another one that's like construction and whatnot. I like that one. Next one is BlackRock Science and Technology. That's sitting at $26.18 a share. And the amount pending is 23 cents, and that's for holding just over 2 shares at 11.5 cents per share. They actually just raised their dividend, I believe, from 10 cents to 11.5 cents, which is it's pretty big. What is that, like 15%? Next is Apple, nothing there. And lastly, Carnival Cruise Line. So real quick, guys, before I go, let's go ahead and hop and look at my payouts for the month of October. Let me zoom out here a little bit. But so as it sits here, we are at a $3.53 for this entire row here. So that was 33 cents from Horizon, 36 from Suns, 94 cents from Gain, 25 cents from Broadmark, 23 cents from BSTZ, 18 cents from Realty Income, 27 cents from Pembina Pipeline, 31 cents from SLG Realty, 31 cents from LTC, 18 cents from Stag, and 17 cents from Land. So that is the best payout that we've had. But to the right of that, for the month of November, you can already see our projections are going to be that much higher, close to $5.40. So again, $3.53, I'll take it. It's not much, but if you look from 4 months ago, 5 months ago, it was at 63 and 67 cents respectively. Guys, that's going to do it for my portfolio. Again, if you like my content, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. Feel free, leave me a comment down below. Let me know how much you guys received in dividend payments this month. Probably more than me, but again, we're only investing $20 each and every week. Thanks again for watching.